use this to fuel your dreams and love God even more, okay?
What is it, Mommy?
So just hear me out for a while because what I'm about to tell you is not really easy. Pero alam ko namang strong ka. Kilala kita eh.
I know.
So, it's about Peach, okay? It's about Peach. So, you know naman yung seizures niya, right? Medyo naging unstable the past few months. Nakaraan. And then, yesterday, so, hindi na kaya na ni Peach, baby. So, but you know what? I really did everything, baby. To the point na ako na yung nag-CPR sa kanya. I did everything.